Namaskar दोस्तों. Today is 24th August 2021. Welcome to my channel Tradeplan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market. On this specific video on daily basis, I disclose my trade plan for the Nifty for the next trading session, review my today's trade, share my learning in MTM at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Lalaji is in super bull run mood and may be looking forward to touch build a new all-time high. But before we get into detail of that, let's have a look into key elements of our global market. So when you look into S&P 500, S&P 500 is continuing its super run and running parallel to 8 bar moving average. So things are looking quite good here. US government 10 bond yield is still below 1.27, so this is also very good news. And most importantly, the dollar index is continuously going down. So currently also on daily chart we see that it is going down and may now take a support on 20 and 50. But as of now, it is looking quite all right. So this is also a good news specifically for emerging market like India. So global signals are looking quite positive. When we look into local market, we see that Bank Nifty, the dollar weakening, we see the impact on Bank Nifty, and we see a very good run on Bank Nifty today. And Bank Nifty today has successfully closed above 20 bar, above 50 bar, and above weekly pivot and weekly L3. So this is definitely looking a very good sign. And Bank Nifty now has turned in uptrend. And that is mainly because of HDFC Bank, which has shown a very strong move today and cross my black line and now just close below my blue magical line. I use a fairly simple trade setup. If you want to know about my trade setup, then please check out my video called Trade Setup Explanation on my YouTube channel, Tradeplan Nifty. So HDFC Bank is looking pretty strong, and let's see if it breaks 1565. If so, then we are entering into a new bull run. And but HDFC Bank is definitely in uptrend. So definitely in uptrend. And Motabai is again showing the full strength and has formed a weak, which is my engage reversal pattern 2. So this is also a bullish sign. It is above 8 bar, above 20, above 50. So Motabai is also has crossed now above weekly H4. So new initiative buyers will come and take this to the next level. So Motabai is also looking very good. So global signals are looking positive. The local elements like are also looking positive. So overall the things and the mood is looking quite good. Now when we look into Lalaji on weekly chart, we see that today this week is showing a good positive movement, and Lalaji is continuing his upward trend, and now 8 bar moving average has come as close as 16134. So definitely on weekly chart it is in uptrend. On daily chart we see that now Lalaji has closed today positively above weekly pivot, which is a very good sign, above weekly H3, that is also a good sign. And now on daily basis, the 8 bar moving average is at 16522. So this zone of 16509 to 16540 now becomes a very good support for Laraji, at least for this week. And now upside, Laraji has a very good resistance at 16705. If 16705 is taken out, then we are entering into new all-time high zone. On bottom after 16509, the next support, a good support will come at 16360, which is also a weekly L3 and my blue magical line. So on daily chart, Lalaji Nifty is looking in uptrend. On 15-minute chart, we see that today Lalaji, as anticipated, has shown a trend day and has closed just below or above, just above 8 bar, above 20, above 15, above 200. So here also the trend is confirmed that the trend is uptrend. Now let's try to confirm this by looking into market profile. So we see that tomorrow's CPR, that is a pivot zone, is above today's pivot zone. Today closing was above pivot, so this confirms that the trend is up. So the trend is up, and when the trend is up, as a defensive trader, The strategy is to buy on dip. So for tomorrow, the pivot is at 16589, L3 is at 16583, and L4 is at 16541. So for tomorrow, the idea is first option buy on dip at pivot, which is at 16589 and also 20 bar moving average. So this will become a good buy. And then the best possible scenario is to buy at 16541, which is also L4 and weekly H3, so which will start acting as a support, 50 bar moving average and 200 bar moving average. So this becomes a best possible scenario, that is buy on deep at 16540 zone with a stop loss at 16520, and the first buy at pivot, which is at 16589. So one lot is 16589, second lot at 16540 with a stop loss of 16520 for a first target of 16710, which is weekly tomorrow's H4, and second target is 16740, which is a R2 for tomorrow. So that's the trade plan for tomorrow. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Now let's see what happened today. So today we entered a market with a clear thought that the market is an uptrend, and idea was to buy on deep at pivot, and Lalaji respected our trade plan, and as open it went down. I was anyways carrying two lot with me. I did not do anything here, and during this week, this is the first week happened, and then this confirmation candle happened, and I entered my third lot on this particular bar, and then I rode the whole wave, and then somewhere at the closing with less confidence, when it crossed below 8 bar, I exited all my positions. I was thinking of carrying one lot home, but then I thought now money is on table, so let me just take it. That's the learning. So past learning. So that's how my day went. So it was a good day. I made around 19,520 rupees. These are my orders. So this is the first buy at 16,532, and then I sold first two lot, and then I sold at very last moment, almost at 1523, the last lot. So there's the plan. There's how the day went. So what's the learning for today? Learning for today was I could have carried one lot home, but that's all right. Otherwise, I think I was well disciplined today. Um, I'm still like contemplating, like when I enter there are two ways you can enter. One is that you place a limit order at limit, say pivot. So I wanted to enter at pivot, but just to become a defensive trader, I wait for a confirmation candle. I wait for a reversal to happen, and once this reversal candle happen, and when I entered here, I almost lost 16,493 and 16,539. So you can say almost around 40 points. So 40 point is a big loss, in terms of entry. So but there is always a risk which we need to mitigate. So that's one area which I'm contemplating, whether I should start putting a limit order at levels at which I want to enter as per my trade plan, or should wait for my confirmation candle. Do let me know what you guys think about it. uh, yeah, so that's how the things are going. So that's it I have for you guys today. uh, Welcome to all my new followers. Do let me know what do you think about my trade plan. It's your like, comment, and interaction is what motivates me to come back and make this video on daily basis. Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.